everyone! Ang ating tatalakay ngayon ay ang solar panel and power grid with ETS, Automatic Transfer Switch, complete connection with diagram. Okay, Papio Electrical Electronics. Solar and power grid with ETS, Automatic Transfer Switch. Ngayon, mayroon tayong tatlong solar panel and solar charge controller, switch for the DC bulb, inverter, DC MCB, and SPD for the ground. DC MCB, another DC MCB, and alternating current 220 volts MCB, battery, 3 battery, power grid, tower, and ETS, automatic transfer switch, electric meter, alternating current MCB, RCCB, incoming supply 220 volt. Dito natin i-connect, guys. Alternating current MCB, another alternating current MCB, another one alternating current MCB. Okay, ngayon mayroon tayong room 1. Agyan natin ng switchboard, TV, and of course, bulb, AC bulb. Room 2, same natin, pareho natin, switchboard, TV, and bulb, AC bulb. Room 3, switchboard, TV, and bulb, AC bulb. Ngayon, unahin natin kukoneksyonan ang power grid tower. Power grid tower to electric meter. Okay, koneksyonan natin, guys. Wiringan natin. Okay, electric meter to alternating current MCB. Ngayon, MCB to ETS connection natin. Automatic transfer switch. Okay, ngayon, sunod natin wiringan ang solar panel. Okay, mayroon niyang positive, negative. Positive, negative. Positive, negative. Okay. Ang connection nito ay parallel connection. Okay. Okay, solar panel to direct current MCB. Okay, connect natin ang SPD for the ground. Yan. Okay. Direct current MCB to solar charge controller. Okay. From solar charge controller to direct current MCB. Okay. Switch for direct current bulb. Okay. Connection natin ang ating battery. Ang connection nito, ang wiring nito ay parallel connection. Okay, from battery to direct current MCB to inverter. Input. Okay, ang output ay 220 volts. Okay. Alternating current 220 volts, i-connect natin doon sa ATS, Automatic Transfer Switch. Okay. Ang transfer switch ay i-connect natin sa incoming supply 220 volt RCCB. Okay, koneksyonan natin ang alternating current na tatlo na MCB. Okay, room 1. Koneksyon natin na ang room 1. Wiring. Okay. Room 2. Room 3.
Pag may natutunan po kayo, please huwag kalilimutan mag-subscribe, like, and share, and click the notification bell para ma-notified po kayo sa susunod kong video. Thank you, and God bless us.